nowadays new normal. Although we are increasing the number of healthcare institutions, the thing that we are lacking is a proper healthcare system. Poor healthcare system of our society has led to a radical increment in the number of deaths day by day. 1.6 million Indians died due to the poor quality of care in 2016, nearly twice as many as due to the non-utilization of healthcare services. If we compare with the other countries, then it's utter fortunate for us to say that India is at the top. These statistics point towards a fatal problem which may turn out to be an obstacle in government's vision of Fit India. Hence, we need to figure this out. And the solution is brainstorm, a care that never quits. But you may be tempted to ask me, why do we need brainstorm? Because in this new normal, depression and anxiety are taking their tolls on the young ignited minds. In the healthcare system as well, as I already mentioned, there isn't any proper caring system for you, which would take care of the comfort of the user, which may be used by the user for predicting the diseases as per in the day-to-day lives, because it's not always possible to seek medical help. And that's where our project is the need of the hour. Our aim is to provide an amalgamation of technology and healthcare to the doors of the common man. The whole sole mission of our project is to provide a skilled and trained desktop assistant system which would be capable enough to deal with several problems like medical emergencies, home automation and much more, that too with minimal human intervention. Features of our project include virtual medical advisor with treatment suggestions, emotion detection, connectivity with various payment gateways, controlling of home appliances using Li-Fi. This innovation Li-Fi would not only increase our speed but would also be eco-friendly. Technologies used in our projects are Ticenter, Arduino, Li-Fi, Python programming and machine learning. This is how our software would actually look like. Now let's understand the working flowchart of our model. Firstly, the user's speech would be recognized by our system and then it would be sensed for emotion as per the user's choice. Then that speech would be converted to text and based on that text, decisions would be taken. We have also connected our platform with the hardware system using Li-Fi using serial communication. Now this Li-Fi technology would control our appliances using in relay modules. Now we have also devised a disease prediction system which would predict the diseases based on the symptoms input by the users and giving them the proper solution. Now what are the strengths of our projects? The main strengths of our project is it's a user-friendly interface, emotion detection from audio input, health-friendly home automation system, and it's a compiled version of voice assistant and disease prediction. We always feel that nobody is perfect and hence we need to analyze our weaknesses as well. The weaknesses of our project is that we don't have doctor appointment system and an inbuilt payment platform. But believe me, we are striving for improving these things in our upcoming models. The opportunities linked with our projects are our application can collaborate with hospitals for virtual appointments and for immediate emergency services like ambulance. Android version of the application can also be launched. The threats linked are in case of discharging of device, user may be devoid of using brainstormer. In case of disconnectivity of internet, user may not get the proper answer to their queries. Now, who all would be our target audience? Our target audience would consist of all those people who are seeking for little comfort in those distressed days, in case they are suffering from anything. But to be particular, our main target audience would consist of the old age homes, people from the metropolitan cities, corporate world, and the rural health centers. The USP of our project include emotion recognition and health-friendly home automation system. If I compare our project with that available in the market, our project is leading, isn't it? The total approximate budget per model would be approximately rupees 2000 rupees, which can be further sub-categorized into several parts like hardware, monthly software charge, installation charge, and maintenance charge. If I consider our revenue collection model, then our main source of revenue would be from the premium version of our software, that is gold, diamond, and platinum. And then we can have revenues from maintenance, incentives from Microsoft stores, and many more. Our promotional strategy would be consisting of beta tech, offering a beta test, offering a free trial, offering a money back guarantee, offering a 24/7 customer support because we care for our customer and our motto is only a care that never quits. This project would be a revolution in the healthcare industry and would enable us to bring the amalgamation of the technology in the healthcare industry and bringing that technology to the doors of the common man. It completely justifies our motto that the care that never quits. It will actually care for the users. Our advanced home automation system would simplify the hurdles faced by the patients in doing day-to-day daily works. And we have also included a new innovation that is Li-Fi. Li-Fi technology would also be very much faster that compared to the Wi-Fi, but also be eco-friendly and hence reducing the health implications caused by Wi-Fi. And at last, this is a one-stop solution for all your problems in this new normal. And the contributors of our project include Bishambar Pal, Prashanjit Sharka, Bishti Mukherjee, and myself, Arijit Bandyopadhyay. Thank you.